Okay, it is strawberry planting time. That's a big you-know-what. Giddy up. We have Bareroot. Bareroot Brunswick strawberry. So, just digging. As you can see here, or as you cannot see, right? Going down, laying these down Bareroot. Just picked them up a couple days ago. Beautiful day. Who doesn't like strawberries? Rocks. So I'm just taking these and I'm laying them down in the hole and just kind of laying them down like this, and I'm covering it up to the bottom of that where the roots meet. So, and this is before our last frost, so we haven't had our last frost yet, but recommended to put these in before the last frost, and don't fertilize them or you'll burn out the roots. Okay, to give you an idea here, we got one here, here, and on down. 1, 2. So we got these that are looking real good, and we just planted these ones here, and here. You see, I topped them off just underneath the top of the root, so they should grow pretty good. Let's see. I'll keep you posted. Cheers.